Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located on 170th Street. Today I have a 2021 NX300 in atomic silver. This is the executive package. Under the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. You have 17-inch alloy wheels and keyless entry. Inside you have a glazed caramel leather interior with your 8-way power seats. Beside your steering wheel is controls to fold down your back seat, automatic high beams, heated steering wheel, and others. On your door panel, you have your power windows, doors, and side mirror controls, as well as your memory seating. You have a leather steering wheel with paddle shifters and controls for your dashboard, push to start, cruise control, your infotainment center, dual climate control with heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger, audio controls, gear shifter, your mode selector, a touchpad to control your infotainment center. Up here are your sunroof controls with touch-sensitive lights, a center console with a wireless charger. In the back middle console, you have cup holders. And over here in the front, you have your heated seats. You have an automatic liftgate. Under the carpet, hidden, is room for your spare tire and tools. And over to your right, you have the option to fold down your rear seats from the trunk. And automatic closing as well. Come on down to Lexus of Edmonton, where we will find the vehicle best suited for you.